The rise of Gokutards in the web novel community is concerning, bro. I have seen so many posts of this and that random character cultivator against random characters in fiction, and that random cultivator or character solos every verse. He is just too damn powerful, he no diff them. I have checked the comment section and all the comments were just glazing him. And I haven't found a single comment that was talking about writing. Does he have good writing or not? Nobody was talking about it. And that's the problem. Nowadays, some of the readers are talking more about power than the writing. And I experienced this like a few days ago when I made an edit about Feng Yuan, how he solos these so-called evil main characters. And my comments were mostly filled with this and that random bullshit evil villain MC will dog walk Feng Yuan verse. Feng Yuan will get folded, bro. And I was like, are you serious, bro? What made you think that I was talking about power, bro? I was talking about writing, how Feng Yuan will dog walk that mid-verse in terms of writing. That is what I was talking about. But there was this one guy saying that Mid-Chang from I Am the Fated Villain will dog walk Feng Yuan verse, bruh. What are you even speaking, bruh? Feng Yuan will dog walk the Mid-Chang verse if he was given the opportunity like Mid-Chang was given. Let's swap Feng Yuan and Mid-Chang. Give Feng Yuan a system. Then he will dog walk the entire verse. Mid-Chang won't even be able to achieve 1/10 of what Feng Yuan has achieved. And don't get me started with like how Mid-Chang is just a clone and his real body is one of the 3 Dao ancestors. That is mid-writing. You can place Feng Yuan in any world, in any verse, he would still dog walk it. That's how goated Feng Yuan is. And the only reason how Mid-Chang was able to manipulate and kill all those characters was because those characters were fucking dumb and stupid. Anyway, let's get back to the topic. You can read those mid-brain rot type novel where MC is the strongest being in fiction and he solos every verse. You can read them. But don't glaze them too much. Glaze those characters who have peak writing like these two. I'm not saying you to just glaze these two. You can glaze other characters too who have good writing. But don't glaze characters like Mid-Jin Woo.